Yes guys, I hope everyone's well. Today you joined me on another drive, another POV drive. The last one done pretty well, so I thought, let me just make another one. It was at night time, it's night time again. So I thought, yeah, like, let's just make another one, innit? So today we're driving to somewhere kind of special. It's a good place to take pictures. We're gonna go there, take some pictures, and yeah, I'm literally just going there to take pictures, but I thought while I'm going there, let me just record the drive and that. Kill two birds in one stone. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Car's feeling pretty good today as well. You guys didn't see the last video. This is what happened. If you guys missed the last POV video, I'll link it down in the description below. It was my first POV drive, so obviously improvements can be made. I'm using a different mic now. Depending on when I uploaded this, I've ordered two different mics. The ones that you clip onto your like shirt or something. So they should sound better than what I'm using now, but this mic should sound better than the one I used before, if that makes sense. So we're improving, you know, we're trying to make improvements, so slowly we'll get there. Nice.
Warning. Fixed speed camera. Limit 40.
Tunnel coming up. It's only right. It's only right. Why is this guy doing 30? What a geezer. While we're just chilling on the road on the way to our location, our destination, I thought let me just talk about what we got planned, where we're going in the next couple of weeks, what we're going to do to the car that's not already been done. So obviously you probably don't know, but I'm going to Germany in about 2.5 weeks time, but I think 3 weeks time actually. Yeah, we're going in about 3 weeks time, so I'm definitely looking forward to that. I'm gonna try and record it. Well, not try, I am gonna record it. I'm trying to vlog obviously on the way there. I might stop off in Amsterdam prior to go in Germany. I'm only going for 3 days, or 2 days actually. No, 2 days? Friday, Saturday. I'm going for 3 days basically. So on the Friday we're leaving really early. We're just gonna go to Dover and then Dover to Calais and then Calais straight to the Ring. All in all, it's about a 5.5 hour trip, depending on traffic and stuff. I'm still deciding whether to get semi-slicks before I go to the Ring, because I intend on doing many track days in this car. The car's pretty much set up for it. The tyres are good, very good for the road. I can't say how they perform on track because I haven't been on track with PS5s. I feel like it's only right to run slicks because I've gone like so far with the other ones. I feel like just to round it off, round the package off, just to get the tyres, if that makes sense. There are cameras on this road. See this app I got right now, Plus Ways, essential. Without this, obviously I can see the cameras, but it just helps, innit? It's not like I'm speeding anyway, but you know, brakes are good. I did want to get braided lines and some high temp brake fluid. Again, not essential. Apparently the stock Kevlar lines on this car are pretty good, but braided lines are better. Not necessary, but better. I feel like if we're going to be on track, really pushing the car to its limits, I feel like you might as well just change, you know, do braided lines and get the high temp brake fluid, because when you're at those sort of limits, those things, like, they do matter. So I feel like I'm just gonna do them. I just heard the underbody brace just makes the car feel a bit more planted as well, especially at high speeds, or when you're cornering at high speeds, which I will be doing on track. Yeah, so that's on the to-do list as well. I know you can get the strut braces, I think, that go at the front, that just go above the engine. I don't know if they do too much, but that's something that I will be looking into as well, because they're quite inexpensive. Also, the underbody brace is also quite inexpensive as well, so I think they're like £160. So for 160 quid, you know, you can't really go wrong, because the Performance M1, sorry, the M Performance one from Performance M is about 350 quid. So this Ultra Racing one does the same job, but it's like half the price. So again, that's something I might get. But apart from that, oh yeah, I might change the spark plugs as well, and the oil possibly. But apart from that, everything's done. Everything's ready. I could take the car right now, like how it is right now. If I was gonna go to Germany right now, it'd be fine. I had to pull over and change it. But look at the scenery. We're almost there. Hopefully it survives until we get there. If you know about GoPro batteries, you just know that they rinse out too quickly. So I've literally got 3 batteries and they'll just die so quickly. So I think I need to get another 3, especially if I'm gonna go Germany with them. But hopefully it survives the 8 minutes until we get to our destination. Cool. Yeah, 5 minutes away. So the camera should be blessed for 5 minutes. The battery should be good. It shouldn't finish out in 5 minutes, but it probably will. I hope it doesn't. So it should be alright. They're always digging up the road doing some kind of building works, bro. But yeah, the point of this video is it's a POV drive. I'm talking a bit, and I'm getting content, and we're gonna go take some sick pictures for Instagram. So if you want to see the results of those pictures, Zero Traction TV on Instagram. I'll leave it in the links in the description below. But yeah, definitely follow me on that. If you haven't already, subscribe, like the video, because it really helps. Anytime someone likes the video or even comments, it just helps the YouTube algorithm a lot. So it just pops up on more people's pages and stuff. I'd really appreciate if you guys just interacted with the video, just left a comment, liked it. It really, really helps. Yeah, look at these buildings, look at the scenery. Look at the scenery. We're in the city now. I say the city, but it's the city before the actual city. But it's still a city. but it ain't actual London City, it's kind of East London. Still nice nevertheless. Stop if directed. With the light tree. That'll be a cool place to take some pictures. Hopefully they don't stop me and check my boot, man. They done that last time. I bet if they see the camera, they're gonna be like, what's this guy doing? So they might even check my car. But we shall see. Hopefully not. Oh, it's an officer on the law, mate. Yeah, go on. See, I told you they were gonna stop me. She slammed my boot as well, bro. I hate when people slam my boot. But yeah, it's calm. Yeah, I knew they were gonna check us. I just knew it. My car is really low. All this for some pictures, you know. Some good lighting here though. Some nice cars under here, always. Look at this one. Oh, that's a lovely colour. G82 M4. Nice. I've actually been here before, but I've got some new mods. So when you get new mods, you've got to take new pictures. RS6. Okay guys, I'm probably gonna jump out, take some pictures, and I'm probably gonna leave it there, to be honest. This is me. Yeah, here the lighting's really good, so we can get some sick angles, some sick pictures. Yeah, that's good. These are the ones I took before. These are really good as well. Once they're edited, they'll look amazing. Just get right up in the corner. Especially with the white wall, the white background. Make for some really good photos as well. I wish the car was a bit more clean, but it's okay. I love this angle. If anyone's got any tips on how I can take better pictures, they're pretty good anyway, but if anyone's got any tips, I'd really appreciate them as well. See, taking pictures, yeah? People just look at them on Instagram and just give them a quick like, but they don't appreciate the effort that goes into actually taking them. Especially when you've got to go out, find locations. It's not easy, but nothing good in life is easy, so it's always hard to get. Tell me this isn't a sick picture. Boom. Why are they just looking at me? If you're still watching the video, I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. As I said, like, subscribe, follow me. Got some more content on the way. Also got the European road trip on the way. I'm really excited for that. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.